everyone, I am Vipin Sharma from Xylem Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate project name Smart Helmet for miners working in hazardous areas. In this project we are using Zigbee to communicate between miner and monitoring station. Then we are using Arduino and some sensors like gas sensors, DHT11, buzzer, LED and other things like power supply, battery, piezoelectric and LCD. Okay. So first of all, I will start with block diagram of the project. What are the components we are using on one side and another side. This side will be transmitter, this side will be receiver end. Okay, so let's start. So we have two sides, transmitter and receiver. We are using Zigbee, Z1, Z2, and one is your coordinator C and another one is your router. Anyone you can set as a coordinator and router. We will add description how to configure Zigbee. Okay. So first of all, we have Arduino. This Arduino is connected with one sensor, MQ135, then MQ6, then MQ7. Then we have button. Okay, and this button is for sending emergency alert on the different side. We will see the practical. First of all, let's see all the things with how these are connected. Then we have Zigbee, and this can communicate over 1.2 km of range. And another sensor here is IR sensor for checking the miner has wearing helmet or not. He is wearing helmet or not. This IR sensor can check. And one is collision detection. This one is collision detection. So in using this, we can detect if someone is stuck in rocks or something has fallen on his head. Receiver part, again we have Arduino connected with LCD, which is 20x4, and this side also we have LCD 16x4, 16x2 to send data. On LCD from Arduino, we will see what are these parameters actually showing, and they will show parameter on this LCD. And through Zigbee, we are transmitting serially data to this Zigbee, and this Zigbee connected with this Arduino. Okay, these both are trans receivers. Both can send data, both can receive data. And now here is one buzzer. When value of collision and value of helmet, miner is wearing helmet or not, and then emergency button, these three values are mapped with your buzzer, and same these values, if are required, will be sent here on this buzzer. Like this buzzer will make sound if these values are triggered. Okay, so these are components which are connected together to make this project. And so let me show you project how it looks. So this is a helmet. This is the way it looks. This one is your IR sensor here. When you wear the IR sensor, this will show the IR sensor, the helmet is weared, and it will not make any sound because we have weared the helmet. After that we have buzzer here. Then we have LED to notify something. Then we have reset button. Then Zigbee. This one is your Zigbee. This one is your IR sensor for collision detection. Then this one is your LCD 16x2. Then we have DHT. Then some sensors. Okay, so DHT also is here. DHT11. These are showing two values: temperature, humidity, CO, LPG, and alcohol. Okay, so these are some values which will be on this side when we see the practical. So this was some basic about the project, and more detail you can see in the description how the things are connected and how the things theory are written in this project. Okay, and this one is the receiver side, LCD 20x4 LCD we are using here, and Zigbee again on the receiver side, and breadboard we have made permanent breadboard using Zero PCB. Then your Arduino Uno. Okay, and now let's see the working of the project, how project will work. So this one is our hardware part of the project, and these are some sensors like MQ6, MQ135, then this one is MQ7, DHT11, then 16x2 LCD, IR sensor for collision detection, Zigbee, reset button for emergency, then button, this LED, then buzzer, then your IR sensor for wearing helmet notification, it will say. Okay, then we have piezoelectric for charging the battery which will power on this project. Then we have this thing, Zigbee based, and on this side we will receive signal from this module. Okay, from this system we will receive here. So this is Zigbee based project. It will communicate over 1.2 km of range, and we can also increase the range of project using advanced Zigbee. Okay, already it is very advanced. So let's start with how project works. So first of all, just turn on this project. You can use power bank or battery. So these are the things. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to wear the helmet. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so now when you have wear the helmet, now it will not make sound because I have already weared it, and now we have to see on this. So show camera here. So this will show all values here. We can just okay, so these are some parameters written here. Okay, like temperature, humidity, then value of MQ6 to 75, MQ135, okay, then MQ526 and MQ135 187. So these are some parameters values from this helmet. Okay, so this helmet is showing value over here. Okay, so these are some parameters. Okay, so now I will show you another thing. If you are not wearing the helmet, okay, so this one is your LED. You can see here. You have to just wear the helmet, and this will on. This will be on, and buzzer will not make sound. So now I am wearing the helmet. If I am not wearing the helmet, so it will make sound, and if I am wearing the helmet, it will not make sound. Okay. Next thing is, now it will not make sound. If collision detected, I am in under rock or something fall on me. So this is the LED. Okay. Now it will make sound. Okay. Same way, one buzzer will be here. I will show you again this part. Okay. And now if I am wearing the helmet, it will not make sound. And if I press this emergency button, it will make sound again. That's the working of project. Okay. And these are all sensors, buzzer connected together. Okay. I'll show you all other things. Now next thing is this, your piezoelectric. This one is your piezoelectric. It is this thing. Okay, so it will make this battery charge. So now I have added one buzzer on this side also. Now this buzzer will give sound when these values, helmet value, collision value, or emergency button value, if any of these three parameters is triggered, this buzzer will make sound. Okay, this buzzer is this one. Okay, this will make sound. So these are parameters. So let me wear the helmet. Now this one is making sound. Okay, because value is triggered here. Okay, let me show you. If I am wearing this, now it is not making sound. This buzzer is not making sound because there is no parameter triggered for any emergency alert. So everything is normal now. If I am removing the helmet, this will make sound first, then here. Okay, so that's the working of this project. And emergency alert, pressing this button, helmet, it will make sound. Friends, you can search Xylent Technologies on Google. You will find our website, and on website you will find so many things about engineering projects like PPT, project reports, documents, codes, tutorials, etc. You can also come here for MTech project, BTech project, PhD project, and you can submit your requirement here to make the project custom projects. And in lab also you can come, and in lab you can make project by your own in our guidance in one-day workshop. You can buy project component etc. from online or offline. Both options are available. If you want to make something unique, new, creative, just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You can subscribe to this channel for more project ideas, tutorial videos, DIY videos, etc. Thank you so much.